Rackstuds R100 Series 2 screws replace traditional metal cage nuts with tough thermoplastic studs that clip cleanly into square rack rails, so you avoid sharp edges and fiddly hardware. Because they install from the front of the rack, these fasteners make mounting servers and network gear noticeably quicker and far less awkward, especially in tight cabinets. Each stud can support the weight of typical rack equipment while you line up and secure it, which makes single-person installations realistic instead of a juggling act. The engineered plastic material shrugs off temperature swings and resists corrosion, giving you long-term reliability in both warm technology closets and cooler server rooms. For standard 19-inch racks with square punched rails, up to roughly 2.22 millimeters thick, the red version fits snugly and holds equipment firmly in place. With 100 pieces in the pack, you can fully outfit multiple racks and enjoy consistently faster, safer gear changes over time.